Hey folks, in this video we will introduce you to the top 10 coolest car gadgets on Amazon. We made this list based on research quality and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Let's begin. Airmoto Tire Inflator. Whether you're a daily commuter, road warrior, or weekend road tripper, your tires will need air adjustment at some point, and you'll be glad you've got the Airmoto portable air compressor. It can fit in your pocket, glove compartment, backpack, or auto safety kit, ready to be used the moment you need it. Take it to the park or on a camping trip, and you will have a fully charged, handy, and lightweight Airmoto pump to fill up your flat car tires, motorcycle tires, air mattresses, sports equipment, and balls with no more lugging heavy, bulky compressors around. Built with a satisfaction guarantee. The air hose is stored inside the device for a compact design. Press the release button on the bottom, or you can simply slide out the air hose from the top side at any time. The next one is GOOLOO F1 Compressed Air Dusters. Elevate your cleaning game with the GOOLOO Compressed Air Duster. Boasting a powerful 160,000 RPM motor and adjustable 4-gear settings, this cordless air blower delivers a maximum wind speed of 45 meters per second. The duster can effectively clear dust and debris from your PC, keyboards, electronics, and even outdoor areas. Featuring a compact and lightweight design, the GOOLOO Air Duster comes with multiple nozzle attachments for customized cleaning. Enjoy the convenience of 3-hour fast charging and the added illumination of the built-in LED light, making it easy to tackle hard-to-reach corners. Versatile and reliable, this air duster is your ultimate cleaning companion for a spotless home, car, and beyond. At number 3, Lisen Retractable Car Charger. This car charger delivers fast and efficient 69-watt charging, perfect for iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max, and earlier models. Its retractable cable design keeps your car interior neat and tangle-free. Built with premium materials for durability, it offers smart protection against overheating and overcharging. Ideal as a practical gift for men, women, moms, and dads, this compact charger is a must-have car accessory for daily commutes and travel. Number 4, Andery car phone holders for MagSafe. This car phone holder for MagSafe delivers ultra-secure mounting with an impressive 78 plus pounds of suction power and 2,400 GF magnetic force. Designed for the iPhone 12 to 17 series, it provides a strong, stable hold even on bumpy roads. The 360-degree adjustable design ensures the perfect viewing angle for navigation and hands-free use. Crafted with a premium carbon fiber finish, it adds a sleek, modern touch to any car interior while offering reliable one-hand operation. Number 5, Pulidiki Car Cleaning Gel. The car cleaning gel is a versatile, easy-to-use putty designed to clean hard-to-reach areas in your car's interior, including vents, buttons, consoles, and keyboards. Its flexible, sticky texture lifts dust, crumbs, and debris without leaving residue. Reusable and mess-free, it's perfect for auto detailing and home use. This fun and practical cleaning slime makes a great Christmas stocking stuffer, white elephant gift, or everyday accessory for men, women, teens, and car lovers. Ancel car engine scanners. Ancel is a great upgrade from more basic diagnostic code readers. The major function of this scanner is detecting the engine system and reading and erasing error codes. Once plugged into your vehicle's 16-pin, the unit will power up and prompt you to start your ignition. If your vehicle has a check engine light on, Ancel is the first tool you need to have to help you determine the cause and find a solution. Govee Smart Car Interior LED Lights. Elevate your driving experience with the Govee RGB interior car lights. Featuring 16 million color options, these LED strips transform your vehicle's cabin into a vibrant, customizable lighting sanctuary. Sync the lights to your music for a mesmerizing reactive light show, or choose from 30 preset scene modes to set the perfect ambiance. With a sleek 2-line design, easy 12-volt cigarette lighter installation, and durable waterproof construction, the Govee RGB interior car lights offer a versatile and immersive lighting solution to enhance your daily commute or weekend adventures. AstroAI L7 Portable Air Compressor. Inflate your tires with ease using the AstroAI L7 Portable Air Compressor. This cordless tire inflator features a powerful motor that inflates 30% faster than comparable units, thanks to its advanced true gauge screen and 150 psi maximum pressure. The compact and lightweight design, coupled with a fast charging, high capacity capacity battery makes it perfect for use on cars, motorcycles, bikes, and even balls. With an auto-off function and the ability to top off up to 8 tires from 30 to 36 psi, this tire pump ensures a hassle-free inflation experience wherever you go. Hotor Foldable Car Organizers. Hotor Trunk Organizer, your ultimate car storage solution. Keep your car clutter-free with the Hotor Trunk Organizer. This sturdy Oxford fabric organizer boasts a 46-liter capacity with 2 large compartments, 2 front pockets, and 4 side mesh pockets perfect for groceries, tools, and sports gear. Durable Oxford fabric plus reinforced base. Say goodbye to car chaos and organize smarter with Hotor. AstroAI Car Interior Detailing Cleaning Kit. The car window cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning tool designed to make your car, home, and office windows sparkling clean. Featuring a detachable handle that can be disassembled for easy storage, this microfiber-based cleaner comes with 4 washable towels and a 60 milliliter spray bottle, allowing you to tackle a variety of surfaces with ease. The extendable handle and pivoting head provide access to hard-to-reach areas, while the included safety hammer ensures you're prepared for emergencies. Whether you're cleaning your car's windshield, TV screens, mirrors, or floors, this all-in-one cleaning kit is a must-have for keeping your surroundings spotless. Thank you for staying with us. Use.